Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Hanley International Academy, home of the Huskies, here in Hamtramck, Michigan. My first ever visit to their school and first ever time speaking in the city of Hamtramck. It's such an honor for me though, because I grew up pretty close to this city and kind of have my heart in Southeast Michigan, where I still live, where I still reside. So always getting to speak in my backyard is truly an honor. And I got to address the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders today, all the middle schoolers in the main cafeteria. The focus today was on diversity, and the need for human kindness was the sub-theme, right? Like it says on my shirt here, the peace sign that starts in the heart. My friend and I designed this a few years back. And the two people, because kindness isn't just about showing it to yourself, we have to show that to others, right? Have that self-respect and the respect towards everyone around us. And no matter their background, no matter their outward differences or inward differences, right? That's what diversity is. We still need to respect and honor and appreciate all of that, right? Because we can embrace it, we can grow from it, we can learn from it. That our true education comes from a lot of the people that we get to interact with, right? A lot of the potential friendships that might last forever. And sometimes if we have a closed heart, closed mind, it could shield us from meeting amazing people, right, in our lives that could have a serious, profound impact on our heart and who we are. So it's up to us, to choose that kindness, to also choose that love, that type of unconditional love. That means love without any conditions. That if somebody's taller, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, speaks a different language, wears different clothes, just eats different foods, we can still show that love without any conditions, right? And truly see someone for who they are as a human being before anything else. And for this too, bring this up in all of my assemblies, but like I always talk about, the lines on our hands, on our palms, we have at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into that, right? We have to truly believe this, because there's so many people around our planet in general that just have never been told this, or don't believe it, or they've forgotten it. And we can be that light to their heart, right? Like Mark Twain said, a famous author, he said that kindness is the language the deaf can hear and the blind can see, and they can't really hear it or see it, right? But they can feel it in their heart. And in this particular assembly, I ask everyone to close their eyes, point to themselves. Usually 8 or 9 out of 10 people are pointing right here to their heart. And sometimes that's the only thing people remember you for, or want to remember you for, is your heart. But only if you're doing acts of kindness and acts of love, right? Choosing acceptance, choosing inclusion, choosing compassion, choosing empathy, right? In a world where we can be anything, we have to choose to be kind. And that's how we start to change this world, is just one act of kindness at a time. So thank you so much for touching my heart. It was great to interact with everyone here through the stories, the videos, some of the hip hop as well. And I hope to be back in the future. Until then though, keep shining your light, keep spreading that kindness and love that we know you're all capable of doing. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.